Hi, can you find the height of the tower just by standing 20 meters away? Let's solve this interesting height and distance problem using trigonometry. Welcome to the channel. Now, look at this picture of a tower. Now, from a point on the ground 20 meters away, let's see with that point, which is 20 meters away from the foot of the tower. Let us take the tower as AB. The angle of elevation from the point C is given as 60 degree to the top of the tower. Let us find out the height of the tower. Let it be equal to h. Now in triangle ABC, which is a right angle triangle, AB by BC will be equal to tan 60 degree because opposite by adjacent is tan theta and theta here is 60 degree. So tan 60 degree. Now AB is nothing but the height of the tower here and BC is given as 20 meter and tan 60 degree is root 3. That is how you got the height of the tower without climbing it as 20 root 3 meter. Now in question 2, you can see they have given the angle of elevation of ladder leaning against a wall is 60 degree. So I have taken a similar picture of a ladder leaning against the wall. As it is given, it is equal to 60 degree. It is leaning against the wall by 60 degree. So take the angle formed by the ladder with the floor as 60 degree. And let us take AB as the wall and AC as the ladder and assume it as equal to L in length. Now it is also given that the foot of the ladder is 9.5 meter away from the wall. That is C point is 9.5 meter away from the wall AB. Now in this right angle triangle, we have found out my hypotenuse is the ladder and my opposite is the wall and my adjacent is the distance between the foot of the ladder to the wall. Now here, after finding out the sides of the right angle triangle, now we will see which ratio is to be taken. Now here we will take the ratio of the side which we know and the side which we need to find out. Here we need to find out the hypotenuse and the adjacent we know. So adjacent BC by hypotenuse AC is equal to cos theta and here theta is equal to 60 degree. Now BC is given as 9.5 meter. AC we are assuming it as L in length. Cos theta is 1 by 2. So that is how you got L is equal to 9.5 into 2 meter cross multiplication. So 19 meter will be my length of the ladder. Therefore, the length of the ladder is equal to 19 meter. Now let us solve question number 3. The height of the tower is 10 meter. The sun altitude is 45 degree and we are asked to find out the length of its shadow. Let us take the tower as AB, which will be your vertical side of the triangle. When the sun rays falls on the tower, it is forming a shadow. Let us take BC as the shadow of this tower and the sun rays are making 45 degree with the ground. Here it forms a right angle triangle in which your AB, the side AB is the height of the tower which is given as 10 meter and they are asking us to find out BC side which is nothing but the shadow length and the theta is given as 45 degree. In order to find out the shadow length, we will take the side which we know and the one which we want to find out. That is AB by BC and AB is opposite by adjacent will be equal to tan theta and here theta is equal to 45 degree. So 10 by BC length of the shadow equal to tan 45 degree is 1. That is how you got BC is equal to 10 meter, which is nothing but the length of the shadow is equal to 10 meter. Now let us solve question number 4. A vertically straight tree of height 15 meter. Just imagine before it broke, the height of the tree is equal to AB and it is equal to 15 meter given. Is broken. Let us imagine that C is the point where it is broken by the wind in such a way that its top touches the ground. Let us imagine D as the point where the top is touching the ground and makes an angle 60 degree with the ground. So let us take the angle made by the broken part and the ground as 60 degree. We are asked to find out the height from the ground to the point where the tree has broken, that is BC length. Let us assume BC equal to h meter. Then the part which is broken will be equal to 15 minus h, because the total length of AB is 15. So BC is h. In order to find out AC, what we will do? Total minus the part, C part. So you will get the AC length. That AC part, the broken part, has formed the hypotenuse of this triangle, if you can see. So we will take it as 15 minus h. Now in triangle ABC, we will take the ratio of BC by DC. Why? Because we need to find out the h value and h is in BC and DC sides. So BC by DC, which is nothing but opposite by hypotenuse. So it will be equal to sine theta, and theta here is 60 degree. Now BC is equal to h and DC is equal to 15 minus h, and sine 60 degree will be equal to root 3 by 2. So that is, if you cross multiply, you get 2h is equal to root 3 bracket 15 minus h. Now 2h is equal to 15 root 3 minus h root 3. Keeping the subject as our h, so we will shift the terms which are having h on the left hand side. That is how you got 2h plus h root 3 is equal to 15 root 3. Taking h common, we got 2 plus root 3, h bracket 2 plus root 3 is equal to 15 root 3. That is how you got h is equal to 15 root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3, we will rationalize the denominator by multiplying and dividing it by 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. So you got 15 root 3 into 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 square minus root 3 whole square. Thus, it is equal to 15 twos are 30 root 3 minus 15 root 3 into root 3 is 3 divided by 4 minus 3. Therefore, it is equal to 30 root 3 minus 45 by 1. Now here, if we substitute root 3 is equal to 1.73 and then subtract 45 from it, you will get 6.96 meter. Therefore, the tree is broken at 6.96 meter from the ground. So we have seen in this type of questions, we first form a right angle triangle from the given information of the question. Then we have to take the ratio of the side we know to the side we are finding and equating it to the trigonometric ratio of specific angles, and solving it, we found the side which is asked to find. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such math videos. Thank you for watching.